Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. BS Physics, Semester 8, subject Computational Physics, and today we will talk about computer graphics. Computer graphics basically deal with the creation of the computer images, creation of the videos with the help of computer, with the help of using different kinds of tools of the computer, different kinds of simulation techniques that we have discussed previous. And today we will talk about computer graphics. Computer graphics is the creation and manipulation and rendering of the images and a visual content using computer. That means we have some kind of data, we have some kind of physical data, physical models, and we will create the images, we will create the visual content, and we will creating the videos using this kind of data, as we discussed, like that random sampling. With the help of random sampling data, with the help of computer graphics, with the help of simulation techniques and tools, we can construct a visual image, a real world graph, or a real world content which gives the detail about our random sampling data. It is a multidisciplinary field that involves computer science, mathematics, art, and design. It means that in a computer graph, there is a multiple disciplines in which computer as well as mathematics, physics, arts, and science, all the other sciences are involved in the computer graphics. In computational physics, computer graphics are used to visualize, analyze the simulation results. That means we have a container that contains a gas molecule, and we can check the behavior of the gas molecule with the help of computer graphs, with the help of computer simulation. For example, simulations of a fluid dynamics, molecular dynamics, or cosmological simulation can generate vast amount of data that can be difficult to understand without visualization. That means we have some kind of complex data, some kind of complex sampling that will not be able to see with a naked eye. But with the help of a computer simulation, with the help of a computer graphs, or with the help of a computer images, we can construct a visualization, we can construct a 3D image, we can construct a 2D image, or we can construct a video animation video which gives the detail about that kind of random sampling or data. By using computer graphs to render the simulation result, researchers can gain a better understanding of the underlying physical process and identify the. That means with the help of a computer tools, that means with the help of a simulation tools, and with the help of a simulation techniques, a user or a researcher or a scientist or a student be able to construct and design the data that which is not be able to observe with a naked eye. And that means molecular dynamics simulation researchers use 3D models of the molecule, simulate the behavior and interaction with the other molecule. That means using these kind of simulation, we can construct a dynamic simulation, a 3D models of a molecule, and we can construct a detailed knowledge about the behavior of the subatomic particles, interaction of the molecules with other molecules, interaction of atoms with an other atom. Here we have a graph which will give a detailed knowledge about trajectory of a projectile. Trajectory means path followed by a projectile, and there are two kinds of graph you can see here, which is one is at 60 degree and other one is at 80 degree. To differentiate between them, the 60-degree graph assigns a dotted line and 80-degree angle assign a solid line, and this will give a detailed information about the trajectory of a projectile at different angles, and we can study analysis the how the trajectory of a projectile are working. Next, we have different several types of the computer graphs which contain 2D graphs. This include images, vector graph, and text that are created displayed on 2D plane. It means that it will contain images, it will contain a vector graph, and the other text information. And on the basis of text information, we can create a 2D plane, 2D graphs, and 2D images. Next, we have a 3D graph. In this include 3D model and a sense that are rendered and displayed on a 2D plane, giving illusion of a 3D space. That means we can create with the using of that previous data, with the help of previous data and previous knowledge, we can construct 3D images which will give more detailed images, which will give more detailed information about our data or sample. Next, animation. This involves creation of a sequence of images or frames that stimulate motion and movement. It is basically that type of a video. That means we, on the basis of our data which we have, we can construct a detailed video which contain behavior of the data or simulation. That means on the basis of our data we can create a animated video how the behavior of the gas molecule, how the behavior of the fluid that are flowing through a pipe, and how the heat is transferred from one point to another point through a material. Next, virtual reality. This involves the creation of simulation environment that can experienced in 3D using virtual reality and handsets. Next, we have augmented reality. This involves the overlaying computer-generated images onto the real world, often using mobile devices or smart glasses. That means how we can visualize these kind of things, how we can visualize these images, these 3D video or animated video that using on the mobile devices, smart glasses or a smart computer. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.